Good evening, Professor. This is Shreyas Khajindar. In this recorded video, today I will guide through to my project, which is industrial automation through the IoT and monitors the real-time data stimulated through the IoT and stimulated through the IoT environment and with the various types of sensors integrated in the IoT framework. So let's jump through the first part of the project, which is simulation part. So. In this in this iFox sim in this iFox sim which is models for computing architecture with the cloud gateway with the cloud gateway edge devices and the integrating with the real time sensors. So via Java socket listeners in the port of 6680. So as the real time as the for the real time interaction, it get incoming data from the it get the incoming data from the Azure IoT hub. So for this one, I have created the I have there are the five different sensors which is set up on the edge node of these devices. These are the five sensor under this construction sector. So for the monitoring for monitoring the types of warnings and for the types of warnings. So and alerts. So this application is constructed with the three models: data collector, analyzer, and storage. That the these two runs on the fog gateway, and the storage is run always run on the cloud. So application defines the data flow of the raw sensor data, which is processed through the which is processed through the models and sent to the actuators. So actuators. So let's run this code. So these are the result. These are the result of the simulation, which is includes the tuple CPU execution delay. That includes the five sensors with their execution delay values, and after that, the energy consumed by the cloud gateway sensor devices, and the cost of the execution of the in the cloud, and the total network usage. So let's jump through the Azure part of the Azure IoT Hub part of this project. So Azure IoT Hub is just not just a just a message hub. It's a bridge between the seamless messages and seamless messages and command through our IoT hub, IoT devices and the cloud. So yeah, so in this code, I have mentioned the five sensor with their corresponding connection strings, and also included the threshold value for the each sensor. So let's run this code. So after running this code. After running this code, these are the outputs of the our sensors value coming from the Azure IoT Hub. Now Azure IoT Hub. So in this one, all those five sensors are I have shown. I have shown. So after if the sensor if the sense threshold value is below from the predefined threshold value, so it will say warning. If the threshold value is higher than the higher than the predefined value, it will show the alert message. So after for the Azure part, uh, Azure part, I have created a five different devices in the IoT hub, IoT hub, which is gas leak, vibration sensor, load sensor, sound level, and pressure sensor. So These are the five devices I have created for this IoT hub in the IoT hub, and this is the overview of the IoT hub. In this include the messages used by the today, daily messages quota given by given by the Microsoft Azure, and five and my five IoT hub devices. So this is the presentation of the number of how many number of messages are used. A device to cloud message means the how many messages are sent by the devices to the cloud, and connected devices we connected devices, and this is the total IoT devices which I have created five IoT devices in the devices tab. So devices industrial automation. So I have learned so many things, so many things about the Azure IoT hub, Azure IoT hub. So how devices created, and also I also learn about the iFox sim, iFox sim for the simulation part of this project. Thank you so much.